Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in the last video I did about my pregnancy journey in Switzerland, I told you about these boxes, and I'm gonna unbox this one for you. It's now 2 months since I gave birth. I cannot believe it, and I looked in it, but I haven't really taken anything out of it, so I want to show you what's inside. So I've been wanting to make this video for ages, but baby boy is not allowing me to. He's not sleeping now. You might be hearing him in the background, but he's not crying, so I'm just letting him relax. All right, so before I start unboxing, I want to mention something. I don't know if these people will see these videos, but I keep on getting messages from people asking me how to move to Switzerland, how to move to Switzerland. I've done this video maybe twice. Just go and look on my older videos. Even I think 6 months ago I did one. Just go and look at different possibilities. Beside those possibilities, I don't know any other way you can come to Switzerland. I don't know any illegal way. So if that's what you're asking, I don't know. Right? So, okay. That's out of the way now. Now back to the box. So remember I told you in Switzerland, when you first get pregnant, you go to your gynecologist and they will give you a box, you know, kind of a congratulation box, and it says mama. So I got a pink box, very similar to this, but this one says baby, and the one I got when I first went says mama. And that's basically giving you all the information that you will need. You know, you get a lot of discounts from different companies and little goodies, little samples, and so on. So when you're leaving the hospital, you also get a box, which is this one. Yeah? Okay, he's quiet. Which is this one. And we're gonna unbox it together. Why not? All right, so firstly, this is a changing pad. So I think a lot of people, when you buy your baby bag, there's a changing pad in there, but if you decide just to use a regular bag, then there's no changing pad, and this comes in handy, very handy. So when you go to the shop, the mall, wherever, and you want to change your baby, this is what you use, and the material is wipeable. Perfect. And inside there are 2 pepantane samples. These are for wounds. If the baby has any diaper rash or wounds, you can use that on it. All right, then I'm sure I'm gonna finish this video all at once, you know, but let's see how far we go. All right, this is baby on board. You know, so may I go try put this on my car. I don't know if it will work, but I'll try, because I've been meaning to get something like this. Okay, so this is from Co-op, quality price, hello family, and this is a diaper. This is it. This, oh, 2. What size is this? Number 2. This is kind of the exact size my baby is using now, but I wouldn't make him wear it because they're too sensitive to just switch his diaper, just so he's using Pampers now. This product, La Reposer, I love it. I use the shower gel, and I use the face wash, and I use the lotion. Only if me start be like a frugal and don't want to spend the money, then I'll use something else. But this is what I use mostly. My sister introduced it to me. A friend of her introduced it to her, and I'm so surprised that they have it for babies. I'm really surprised that they have it for babies. So I will be using this on Shadan when he's a little bit older, not yet. I'll be using this on him, and if it's good, then who knows, I might be using this more often. So this is basically why they put samples in, because if you use it and you like it, then you will make business. All right, there's another pack of Pampers, also number 2. There's this bag with a zipper, and this bag can be used for anything. Inside of the bag, and who is this from? Verfora. Yeah, just some information. I cannot read them, so. And this is a gentle cleanser gel. What does it clean? Hair and body. So this is like a body wash for babies. I won't use this either, not anytime soon, because he's too young. So that's this. Now I can bring this bag, I can repurpose, like put his stuff inside when we're traveling or just going out. There's another bag, and I think it's the same thing inside. I don't know why I got 2. Baby boy is so cool. He's just cooing, but he's not crying. The same bag. This is a detergent. It's for sensitive skin. So you know, you have a good amount of starting stuff in here. If for example you weren't prepared and you just gave birth, then you can use these. It's not for long, but you have a start. And this is also from Co-op, and it's a pack of wipes, 30 pieces, sensitive. I'm gonna go look at my baby. Okay guys, so yeah, we're back. Someone has joined the chat. Yeah, you're so handsome. You're so handsome. Yeah. Yeah. You good? Okay, he's not paying me any more attention. The next thing is a nookie or a soda that the baby suck on. Yeah, I think I'll let Shadan use this soon, because it's still within the size. Medela baby. I've never heard of this brand. It's a Swiss brand. So that's that. All right, what's this? This is from C&A. This is a store. You can buy clothes and stuff. 15% discount. In the first box there were many discount cards, but we never used them. This is another discount. It's not a discount card, it's like a present. So if you're buying anything from the store for about it, then you will get 20% off when you present. No, you get 20 francs off when you present this. All right, this is another little bag from Co-op. I think it's a shopping bag. Yeah, it's a shopping bag. Oh, a shopping bag. I like this. I will definitely be using this. Shady buddy. I will definitely be using this, guys. Oh. So this is like so cool. Oh look, this ends up on the front now. It's a shopping bag. Jeez, I'm going to put this in my bag, my handbag or my baby bag, because every time I go to the store, I buy a new bag. All right, so here we have information cards. Elton, parents, emergency. This is then code for. This is also a picture studio. Yeah, picture studio discount card, 20% off. And this is from Co-op. What's this? 20 francs free. More Mirror House and online shop. It's online Co-op. If you're buying anything for baby, you get 20 francs. So I will probably use that. This is a book. I wish they were in English. Jeez, this are everything French, but this is basically for young parents with all the information you need for the first year of life for the child. Look at this. It's showing breastfeeding techniques. What else? How to clean the umbilical cord. Jesus Christ. How to clean the umbilical cord. I really like seeing when there's a mix of race in the books or on TV adverts or anything. So there's a black baby, a black mommy, and white mommy and baby. I love seeing that. More things about breastfeeding. Very useful book. Playing with your kids, very important. Alright, this the Schweizer website for Schwangere und Eltern. More information. Me tell us here them will kill you with information. More information about the pregnancy. I think it's given to Übernachtungen for the ganze Familie in einem Kinderhotel. It's advertising. You can, oh, I know what this is now. You can sign up. Bitte fülle die Karte in Buchstaben aus. So you fill out this and you have a chance to win 2 nights with your family in a kids hotel. This is another book from Co-op. What to feed the babies. Let me go Google Translate this. This is so good. The erste Monat, first month. This look very useful. Okay, bath stuff for the baby, Pflege, care. See, okay, this will be very useful to me. I'm gonna be checking this out. All right, this is the last thing. The box is empty. All right, here is a magazine. Wir Eltern. We parent. For mothers and fathers in Switzerland. This is a magazine. So I guess I could sign up for this magazine if I like. And then airport and the boat. There's a 80 francs. 10 Ausgaben no for 80 francs. I don't know that. So this is just a magazine for kids. Everything children. All right, I have a few things that there are a few things that I'm quite interested in this box. The first box wasn't so exciting. It was exciting because I got also free things and a lot of information. But I think because I was pregnant. But this now, the baby's here and it's things about being a parent, doing it. Yeah. All right, guys. So that's it. That's it. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for unboxing with me. The next video will be 5 to 6 items that I've gotten that has made my experience as a mother of a newborn much more pleasant and easier. So look out for that video. 5 or 6 things. There are a few of them, but I'm limiting it to 5 or 6 things that I use on a daily, and it makes my life so much easier. All right, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.